So we get, for instance, right here, we've got not quite to the halfway point of the fourth quarter, and we've got a 1 point game. Remember, there are in a great number of ways that people can find out the score of a basketball game and then want to tune into it. So we've got any score feed, we've got just Twitter, we've got phone calls, we've got all that stuff. It's much easier to find out, hey, this is a good game, we should go watch it. So a good thing to maybe try to do about halfway through the fourth quarter is give us a little game recap. How did the game start? I know Sutton was up 10-6 at the end of the first quarter. What was going on? Was teams were struggling to shoot the ball? Was it really good defense and both defenses forcing turnovers? What was happening in that first quarter? What changed in the second quarter? Because I know Sutton had a nice little lead. What happened in the third quarter that let BDS get back into it? So doing a short summary of what we've seen in the game overall, especially from a scoring standpoint, gives a tremendous amount of context to our viewer. And if, again, we get to that kind of halfway point in the fourth quarter and we get a timeout, which is kind of what we're about to get right here, right? We're going to get this, we're going to get a whistle and a timeout by Sutton instead of just saying, oh, it's timeout, I'm going to take a break, boom, and like mute my headset and we go to our wait screen. This during this timeout is when you could be giving us that recap, and so that's a challenge. It's a big thing. It's something pretty new for a lot of announcers, but it is definitely something that I would challenge you on, and I think you can handle it. So if you want more information or maybe an example or something like that, happy to talk through that with you. Shoot me an email. Happy to jump on Zoom or even just give you another one of these production analysis. Doing some good work though, guys.